It's like got dark. That didn't even help. 8 IQ. Right. Anyway, if another one of these parties happen, like it's by like an entertainment like company kind of. Right. 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 Ah. Yeah, bro, you missed the whole debrief and now I gotta tell you again. Um, anyway, yes, I had a good time, but it was a little bit not my vibe. But I still had a good time. The friend that I met, I know LM says sorry and that you can come back over your fits. What? What do you mean I ignored you? I can't see. I'm sorry. I didn't ignore you. I didn't ignore you. Don't say that. Not enough. Ah, you're funny. You're funny. Why do you say that, huh? Why do you say that? You're funny. You're funny. Who's telling me I'm welcome back? I already debriefed it. You just missed it, bro. You just missed it. What do you mean you don't know? He said, yeah, right. You probably a 3-inch dude. I'm dead. I'm dead. Let's all say our size in inches. You vouched for me? Did you really? You look like one of my old friends from 9th grade. What? Wow. He's literally a shrimp guy. Right. Right. Yeah, you don't have anything to prove to him. You don't have anything to prove to him for real. Oh, so funny. When can I speak seriously with you? What do you mean? Sounds like bro wants to see jumbo shrimp. Shit. I'm dead. I'm dead. Thank you, by the way. I'm so dead. That's hilarious. I would love to come back over there, but I don't think I'm welcome over there. I don't think I'm welcome over there, to be honest. I really don't think I am. 2-inch? Why do you want that monster for? It's possible? What's possible? To speak with me. What'd you say? Privately? I have a third leg for sure. We can let her decide if you're bold. You gotta stop what? I look like AI? Do I look like AI? I'm not AI. You DM'd me? What'd you DM me about? You'll protect me? Bro, they don't care, bro. They don't care about me. They don't care about you. Like, they don't care if you protected me. They don't want me there. They don't want me there, bro. They won't let me be there, bro. Freaking Chill Boy gets me banned every single time. I don't know how he does it. I don't know what his magic is. But they don't want me there. They don't want me there. His name kind of weird. That's a great name. Harry Potter. But Harry. I don't have school, bruh. Don't have school. It's cold in here. Ow, fuck my foot. It is cold in here. Turning that down. You would love to send gifts? You don't have to send any gifts. Trust. It's okay. Isn't Bill Clinton like 60, bro? Why are you on here? How old are you? Vaughn Brooks, how old are you? Curious. One of the admin was just acting up because you ignored them. I know my admin. Shut up, Vans. To have a you trying to say diploma? Yeah, I got a diploma. I graduated, son. Oh my gosh. Please stop this gift. I'm trying to read the chat. Thank you so much though for the gift. I thank you for the gift. It's just, you know, admin, so I have to get her attention. He already got my attention, bro. He always got my attention. I do have a job over the summer. Unk drop? Well, who's a unk? Who's a unk? Which one? Who's a unk in here? What do you mean an unk drop? What did I do with my water, guys? Where did I put it? Guys, where did I put it? My name's Chloe. Where did I put my water? Y'all saw me sipping on it. So what the hell did I do with it? Oh, here it is. Yummy. It really was so hot in there. When I left, I looked like I took a shower. Like seriously, my hair was wet. Looked like I took a shower for real. Will it work? Will what work? It was hot. It was really, bro, like my hair, like next time I go to one of these things, yeah, there was no AC. There was no AC at this one too. It's water, I promise. They just had the one industrial fan. Yeah, they had one of those fans. Literally one, bro. I bent down in front of it and I was dancing a little bit on the ground. You know, like squatted. I was like, I'm dead. You can't follow me? Why? That's weird. And some guy was saying something. Kept trying to move in front of it. My friend in the band was going. Twerking on the fan. I wasn't twerking. I was bent, like, squatted. Okay? I was squatted. Some guy was saying something about my car. And then I looked at him and I was like, huh? And he said, and then he made fun of me and said, huh? And so I just got in my car for real. You saw my car modded? I want to mod my car though. Somebody give me tips for real. Somebody give me tips. Because I really want to mod it. I just don't know where to start, to be honest. Dang, really? I don't want to mod it to make it go, like, faster or anything. Inside of your car looks like the World Cup. Shut up. Why don't I mod my car? Student driver bumper sticker? No, bro. Ain't a student driver. I just want to mod it to make it look cool. Not to... Why? I don't want to mod it to make it go faster. I just want to add, like... Well, number one, I need tint. I haven't put any tint on it, and I need it really bad. I need it really bad. I know it costs a lot of money. Yeah, I just want aesthetic. Like, I just want it to look the looks. I'm not interested in making it go fast. I don't drive that fast. Like, I don't do all that for real. I don't do all that for real. Yeah, no, I don't want to do any of that anyway. I want to add, like, I don't know. My friend, he told me to add a front lip and a spoiler and whatever the hell else that he said. Like, I know, like, a good bit. Like, I like cars, I really do. But I don't know, like, I'm not in the depths of it for real. Like, another thing, you have to text me that. You have to text me that. Get a Hunter x Hunter rap. Oh my god. That would be so silly. But text me that so I can remember what you said. Like, I really like cars and, like, I'm interested in it, but it's just, like, I have so many interests, bro. That's another thing. I have a lot of interests. I don't get super, like, I have a lot of interests, but I'm not, like, an expert at any, you know? Well, talk to me about cars then. Bring up the conversation. Hello? Yeah, I did make it to the party.